Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do our 2 little quizzes from this week in our vocab and reading. So you need your comprehension check, Farfalina and Marcel. And you're going to get this one next, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to start with this comprehension check. And you can go ahead and mark out number 3 because we are not going to do number 3. So you can cross that one on out. Number 1. If you had to choose one word to describe both Farfalina and Marcel, which would it be? So one word that could describe both of them. Are they both, here's the options. Are they both loud? Are they both compassionate? Are they both bossy? Or are they both creative? Think about, compassionate means like they care about other people or they care about others. That's what compassionate means, okay? So mark your answer. And then number 2. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause. But we're going on to number 2. Why does Farfalina disappear for so long? So Farfalina the butterfly, why does she, well, she was a caterpillar first. Why does she disappear for so long? Write that down, okay? Pause and write your sentence and then come back. Skip number 3, we're going to go on to number 4. Both Farfalina and Marcel go through a transformation. Is that true or is that false? They both change. Do they both change? If they both change, then circle true. If they don't both change, then circle false. Number 5. What actions tell you about Farfalina and Marcel's friendships? Or their friendship, sorry. What do you learn? So think about the actions that they did for each other and what that tells you about their friendship, okay? Write down your answer and write something you learned from this story or maybe what the book intended for you to learn from this story, okay? So pause and do that, and then we're going to go on to this vocab when you're done. Okay, so find your vocab quiz. We've got splattered, reflection, sleek, vanish, and flutter. Number 1. Maria stared at her blank in the mirror. Okay, so Maria stared at her splattered in the mirror. Maria stared at her reflection in the mirror. Maria stared at her sleek in the mirror. Maria stared at her vanish in the mirror. Or Maria stared at her flutter in the mirror. Okay, write down the right answer. Number 2. We watched the butterfly blank around our yard. We watched the butterfly splattered around our yard. Oh, that would not be good. We watched the butterfly sleek around our yard. We watched the butterfly vanish around our yard. Or we watched the butterfly flutter around our yard. Okay, write the correct answer. I'm moving on. You can pause to write if you need to. Number 3. The magician made the bunny blank into thin air. The magician made the bunny splattered into thin air. The magician made the bunny sleek into thin air. Or the magician made the bunny vanish into thin air. Number 4. The baby blank the water in the bathtub. The baby splattered the water in the bathtub. The baby reflection the water in the bathtub. Or the baby sleek the water in the bathtub. Number 5. We brushed our dog's blank fur. We brushed our dog's splattered fur. We brushed our dog's reflection fur. Or we brushed our dog's sleek fur. Okay, and when you finish those, you will be done with reading for Friday. And I hope you have a great weekend. We're going to do math in the next video, and then you'll be done. And I hope you have a great weekend.